In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use multiple Chrome browsers and multiple accounts on same time, vertical bar Google Chromes on same PC. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer, wait for the browser window to load fully, and make sure you are on any normal Chrome page. You do not need to open a specific website for this. Now look at the top right corner of the Chrome window. You should see your profile icon there. This might appear as your Google account picture, your initials, or a simple default profile symbol if no account image is set. Click on the profile icon. A small menu will open. This menu usually shows the current profile name, the signed-in Google account if one is connected, and options related to syncing and profile switching. Next, click the button that says Add or Add Chrome Profile. The exact wording may be slightly different depending on your version of Chrome, but the purpose is the same. It does not remove or change your current profile. It simply adds another one, so you can use more than one Chrome browser setup side by side. After clicking Add or Add Chrome Profile, Chrome will guide you through setting up the new profile. At this point, you will usually see two main choices. You can sign in with a different Google account, or you can continue without an account. If you want this new Chrome profile to connect to another Google account, choose the Sign In option. This allows Chrome to use that account for services like Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, and Browser Sync, depending on your settings. It is a good choice if you want bookmarks, passwords, extensions, and browser data connected to that specific Google account. If you do not want to sign in, choose Continue without an account. This creates a local Chrome profile on the computer. A local profile can still be used for browsing, saving bookmarks, and keeping browsing activities separate from your other Chrome profiles. The main difference is that it will not sync with a Google account unless you sign in later. Once the profile is created, Chrome can keep it separate from your other profiles. You can repeat this same process whenever you need another Chrome profile. Just open Chrome, click the profile icon in the top right corner, choose the Add Profile option, and then decide whether to sign in with another Google account or continue without an account. That covers everything you need to know.